Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics. Today we explore Chapter 10, how to use StatCrunch to test a claim about the mean of differences. Let's take a look at exercise 9. A program is created to increase the amount of annual weight loss of participants. What does the data suggest about the effectiveness of the weight loss program? We have a bunch of subjects and the data before the weight loss program and after enter the weight loss program. We want to figure out the D bar, that is the sample mean of sample differences, and interpret this meaning. Next, we're going to set up the hypothesis and figure out what is going on with the data. We can use StatCrunch to do everything. Now, let's go to Stat. The first thing we want to do is we want to figure out the difference of the two data. So we go to Data, Compute, Expression. We want to build the expression. So first data is the Chapter 10, Exercise 9, before. It is always the before. And then double click, hit minus. Chapter 10, Exercise 9, after. Double click, hit OK. Hit compute. Well, it just gives us the new data right here. This the new data is the Chapter 10, Exercise 9, with the before minus after data. If we look at it, most of the data is negative, so we expect the sample is negative by going to Stat, Summary Stat column, and it's going to be the very last column. We only want the mean. Hit compute. This is the D bar here, it's negative 14. It tells us that when we set up the hypothesis, the alternative hypothesis is mu sub D, that is the population mean of all differences, is negative. So let's do that right away. Go to Stat, P-Stat, and we have pair data. Sample 1 is going to be the before data, Chapter 10, Exercise 9 before. Sample 2 is Chapter 10, Exercise 9 after. And we want to click on differences. The alternative here is mu sub D is less than 0 because the sample mean is negative 14, is the native number. And hit compute. Ta-da! We have p-value to be 1.85%, which is less than 5%. So we reject the null hypothesis, and the conclusion is sufficient evidence to support the claim. And the claim here is according to the problem. Well, the weight loss program is, of course, effective in increasing the amount of weight loss. There's a quick way to get the mean of the differences. You just have to go to Stat, T-Stat, parent, and sample 1 is always going to be the before data. Sample 2 is always going to be the after data. Click on differences And then you can perform any hypothesis testing. It doesn't matter which one. All we care for is just the sample mean. So for example, in this case, I just performed the hypothesis in which mu sub d, the mean of the difference, is not equal to 0. This number right here, the mean on the mean -14, that is d bar. This is the sample mean. This is the quickest way to get to the sample mean. So once we get the sample mean, oh, we know that, oh, this is the wrong way to set up the alternative hypothesis. So you just have to go edit. And because the sample mean is a native number, mu sub d is less than 0, is the correct way to set up the alternative hypothesis. Hit compute and ta-da! We get the correct p-value. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.